Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to tell you how you can make tasty chocolate milk with the help of chocolate syrup very easily. You can buy a packet of chocolate syrup very easily from your nearest market. So let's get started. First of all, what you have to do is you have to take a mixer grinder and then you have to add 2 tablespoons of sugar in it. And then add a glass of milk in it. You can double the quantity if you want to make extra. Now what you have to do is you have to add approximately 2 to 3 tablespoons of chocolate syrup in it, and if you want to make it more chocolatey, then you can add more. Now make a shake in the mixer. See, your chocolate milk is ready. Now what you have to do is take a glass and add your chocolate milk in the glass. After this, you have to add some chocolate syrup above like this to make it more chocolatey and more delicious. The taste of this milkshake is amazing. You must try it. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share.